Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have started new chapter, okay, last chapter of trigonometry, and we have solved till question number 3. And 4 I gave homework. I hope you have done that question. Now we'll start from question number 5. In the figure given below, BC is 12 centimeter, AB is 4 centimeter, angle AEB is 90 degree, angle B is 60 degree and angle C is 30 degree. Calculate the length of BC, BE and AC. So here diagram is given, okay, in question diagram is given and it is given BC is 12 centimeter, AB is 4, this AB is 4 centimeter, angle AEB is 90, AEB is 90, and if this is 90, this side will be 90. Angle B is 60, this is 60 degree, angle C is 30. Calculate the length of BE. You have to find the length of BE and AC. Now here in this triangle we have two right angle triangles, okay, one is AEB, another is AEC. So we have two right angle triangles. So for BE we have to use this triangle, this right angle triangle AEB we have to use, okay. So in triangle AEB, so here theta is 60. Now you have to find base, right? You have to find BE and hypotenuse is given. So hypotenuse and base will be related by cos. So curly brown here, so you have to use cos 60 degree, and the value of cos 60 is half. So in place of cos 60 you have to write half. Curly brown here, base is BE, hypotenuse is AB is equal to half. BE, AB is given 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. BE into 2. 2 into BE is equal to 4 into 1, 4. So BE is equal to 4 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we got the value of BE is 2 centimeter. Now see, this is 2 centimeter, right? And the total is 12. If this side is 2, then this side will be 10 centimeter. Because total is 12, so 2 and 10 is 12. So for this triangle, base is 10 centimeter. We have to find hypotenuse. So hypotenuse you have to find and base we have. So again we will use cos. So here calculation is done. How to find EC, okay. Number 2, for that to find AC we have to use triangle AEC. So in triangle AEC, cos 30 degree. So the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, curly brown here is equal to root 3 by 2. Now base is EC, hypotenuse is AC. So EC by AC is equal to root 3 by 2. EC is 10 divided by AC is equal to root 3 by 2. Cross multiplication, 10 2s are 20 is equal to root 3 into AC. Now root 3 will divide this 20. So AC is 20 by root 3. Now we have root in the denominator. So we will rationalize. We will multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So 20 into root 3. Now root 3 into root 3 is 3. So the value of AC is 20 root 3 divided by 3 centimeter. Next, question number 6. The figure given below shows a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree and AB is 12 centimeter. If BD is perpendicular to AC, find BC, AD, AC. So in this triangle, angle B is given 90. This is 90, okay, this total is 90. Angle C is 30. This side it is 30. And AB is given 12 centimeter. BD is perpendicular, means it will make 90 degree with the base. First is you have to find BC. BC you have to find. Now forget about this line, okay. So this is one right angle triangle ABC whose base is BC, perpendicular is AB. We have to find base whose perpendicular is given, so turns permanently black. We will use here tan theta. So in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree. Now the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we will write tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, turns permanently black is equal to 1 by root 3. perpendicular is AB, base is BC. 1 by root 3, AB is given 12 divided by BC is equal to 1 by root 3. Now cross multiplication. 12 into root 3. 12 root 3 is equal to BC into 1 BC. Now we got the value of BC is 12 root 3 centimeter. Now next question is to find AD. See, you have to find this AD, okay, and AD lies in this triangle, and this is also right angle triangle. See, this is 90 degree. So you have to consider this triangle to find this AD, but we don't know the value of theta in this question, right? So how to find the value of theta? Here we will find theta. To find the value of theta, again you forget about this line, okay, and you have to use the this one property of triangle. We know in triangle the sum of the angles is 180 degree. So if you add these three angles, total will be 180 degree. This is 90, already given in question. This is 30. We can easily find the third angle. So first we will find the value of this angle first. So here is the rough work. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. Angle A plus angle B is 90. Angle C is 30. So 180. 90 plus 30, 120. Angle A plus 120 is equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 120, 60. So this will be 60. We got the value of theta. Now we can use this triangle to find AD. For this triangle, okay, this is hypotenuse. I have already told the side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. For this triangle, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 12. You have to find this base. So in triangle ADB, hypotenuse and base is related by cos. So cos 60 degree. Now the value of cos 60 is half. Half curly brown hair is equal to half base by hypotenuse. I have told this is base, AD, hypotenuse is AB. Is equal to half. AD divided by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. AD into 2 is equal to 12 ones are 12. So AD is equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. So the value of AD is 6 centimeter. Now we have one more question. We have to find AC. Now we have to find AC. To find AC, again you have to consider this greater triangle ABC. Okay, ABC you have to consider. In triangle ABC we have perpendicular, we got base. Now we have to find hypotenuse. So you can use any, you can use cos. If you use cos, then also you'll get answer. If you use sine, then also you'll get answer, because we have perpendicular and base. So here I am using sine. Okay, sine 30 degree, because in this triangle theta is 30 degree. So sine 30 degree, and the value of sine 30 degree is half. Some people have is equal to 1 by 2. Perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC, is equal to 1 by 2. So 12 by AC is equal to 1 by 2. AC into 1 AC is equal to 12 2s are 24. 24 centimeter is the value of AC.